Are you ready to meet Ameca, the most advanced humanoid robot the world has ever seen? Picture this, a robot that seamlessly blends into our lives, adapting to various roles and settings, transforming industries as it goes. It's not confined to a single niche. It's a universal tool with endless possibilities. But what truly sets Ameca apart is its design, a masterpiece of human-like proportions, lifelike features, and natural movements. Meet Ameca, the most advanced humanoid robot the world has ever seen. Get ready to be amazed, because Ameca is not your average robot. It's a game changer in human-robot interaction, and it's poised to transform the numerous industries. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of what makes Ameca so incredible. Imagine a robot that's not just a machine, but a platform for connecting with humans on a whole new level. That's precisely what Ameca is all about. Ameca is built to be super versatile, with the potential to tackle a wide array of tasks. It's not limited to a single industry. In fact, it's a universal tool that can adapt to different roles and settings. This adaptability alone sets it apart from the rest of the robotic world. But what's even more exciting is how Ameca is set to revolutionize industries. Picture this, Ameca working alongside doctors in the healthcare sector, assisting with surgeries and patient care. It can also lend a helping hand in factories, boosting productivity and precision like never before. The possibilities are endless. Now let's start by talking about what sets Ameca apart from the rest. Its design. Ameca's design is a masterpiece that seamlessly blends with human-like proportions, features, and movements, making it an effortlessly reliable presence in our lives. First and foremost, the human-like proportions and features of Ameca are truly remarkable. Standing at 175 centimeters tall and weighing 54 kilograms, it mirrors the dimension of an adult human. Its face is a work of art, adorned with expressive eyes, lips, and cheeks. But what really makes it feel lifelike is its skin, crafted from a soft silicone-like material that gives it that natural human look and feel. Now let's talk about its range of motion. Ameca doesn't just stand there. It moves in a way that is almost indistinguishable from a human being. It can walk, run, turn, bend, and yes, even dance. Its arms and hands are incredibly dexterous, allowing it to perform complex tasks like picking objects, writing, and drawing. Now let's speak under the hood and explore the materials that make Ameca tick. Its body is a blend of aluminum, carbon fiber, and silicon. The aluminum and carbon fiber provide the strength and durability needed for its dynamic movements, while the silicon is what gives it that authentic human touch. But wait, there's more. Ameca boasts a modular design, allowing its components to be easily replaced or upgraded. It's also cloud connected, meaning it can access and process data from the cloud in real time, making it smarter with each passing moment. And let's not forget its natural motion system, which allows it to move with grace and fluidity. Next up, Ameca's mind-blowing capabilities are set to change the game. First, let's talk about Ameca's superpower, its ability to understand and respond to human language. It's like having a chat with a buddy who gets you completely. This magic is powered by two wizards, natural language processing and machine learning. NLP is Ameca's language guru. It enables the robot to recognize and understand the true meaning of human language. And ML? Well, that's Ameca's secret sauce for continuous improvement. It learns and gets better at understanding language over time. So it's like having a friend who just keeps getting smarter. But here's the real kicker. Ameca doesn't just understand the words you say, it also gets your vibes. Yes, emotions, happiness, sadness, anger. It's all in Ameca's wheelhouse. Imagine asking it, "How are you feeling today?" It can read your tone and facial expressions to respond appropriately. That's next level understanding. Now let's talk about adaptability. Ameca is like a chameleon, thanks to its reinforcement learning. Skills, RL skills. RL lets it learn and adapt to a new situation through trial and error, Teach it to draw a circle, and it'll soon be a circle drawing pro, handling different sizes and colors like a champ. That's adaptability at its finest. But wait, there's more. Ameca isn't just about talking and learning. It's a jack of all trades. With its human-like dexterity and access to the cloud, it can do some pretty nifty stuff. Picture this. It can use its hands to pick up objects, draw and write. Plus, it's got a killer voice, which it uses to communicate and control other devices. Now, let's talk about the brain. Behind the beauty, Ameca software is a top-notch. It can understand human language, recognize objects and faces, and even navigate its surroundings like a pro. Plus, it gets access to the cloud, which means it can crunch huge amounts of data in real time. This opens the door to tasks that would be impossible for it to do alone. Imagine the possibilities. And what's even more interesting is that Ameca has the potential to revolutionize many industries. First up, customer service. Imagine strolling into the retail store or dining at your favorite restaurant and being greeted by Ameca. This technology could be a friendly face that assists you with your needs, answer your questions, and ensures you have a smooth experience. Now shifting gears to healthcare. Hospitals and nursing homes could see a major transformation with Ameca. It could be by the side of patients, offering assistance and even companionship. But it doesn't stop there. Ameca could also be a valuable tool in training future medical professionals, ensuring they get the best hands-on experience. Education is up next. Picture this. Ameca as your teaching assistant in the classroom. It could help teachers manage their tasks efficiently and provide personalized instruction to students, tailoring the learning experience to each individual needs. Another is the world of entertainment. Ameca could take center stage as a performer, captivating the audience in shows and events. It could also create immersive and interactive experiences for visitors at museums and theme parks, making entertainment more engaging than ever. As we wrap up our exploration of Ameca and the fascinating world of humanoid robots, one thing is clear: we're witnessing the dawn of a technological revolution. But what lies ahead for Ameca and her robotic companions? How can we harness their potential to reshape our world? What do you envision as the next big leap for Ameca and humanoid robots in general? How might their capabilities evolve, and what kind of impact could they have on society? Your insights are invaluable, so leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting discussions on the future of technology and innovation.